Okay, so for paneling a wall, I've got a couple of examples here already, but I'll recreate them. So first of all, you need to be looking at a wall elevation um, front on, so you can see your decor menu. And in the same place where you can find all of your paint colors and tiles, we have some panels. So this is one way to add paneling. So we've got tongue and groove, board and batten, horizontal plank, with and without a wooden texture, and some slats. So simple tongue and groove, much like the tiles, you've got kind of creative freedom as to where you want the paneling to go, what height, that sort of thing. And that'll snap to the edges of your wall. And then you can add maybe a dado topper, for example, from the trim menu. So do that, and yeah, that's resizable as well. So do something like that. If, for example, you're planning paneling around the size of a bed or something, you can add molding areas manually, kind of like this. Now, I would have thought you're going to be more careful about your sizes of the paneling here than I have been. But obviously you can resize these to whatever size you like, give them a color. I'm going for duster today. Maybe we add some skirting board, Taurus. And then if we want to paint behind the paneling, the way I would do this is we have your painted areas. So these could be used for like color blocking. So painting out a different area or section of a wall, one color versus another. But it can also be used to add some paint behind our paneling here. So you kind of get that effect there. And you want to just line up with the dado rail above. But as with all of these decor options, if there's any paneling that we're missing or styles that you're looking for, do just get in touch and we'll add that into the menu for you.